Hey, what a good day it is. Going back downtown, you feel me? Check out Centennial. I think I'm gonna do a little series, man, where I go start visiting everywhere in Atlanta, to be honest. I'm feeling that. No, I don't have a right glove on. I had to take it off, and I got caught at the green light where I couldn't put it back on. Like, I had to take it off, okay? That's why I got one glove on. But let's stop by Centennial, and it looks like we'll have a little bit of traffic. We'll see. I think I need to loosen my, tighten my clutch cable. I was messing with it earlier. I'm trying to find that sweet spot. But I think it's too loose, bro. Go there and check out Centennial, you feel me? I don't know why, but yeah, on good days I just want to go. I want to go somewhere with land, you know, like go somewhere where it's grass and a lot of trees. And if you live near a city, you know, man, you really don't get a lot of that, to be honest. But Centennial is like a good spot because it's like in the middle of everything. You kind of see a lot. It's like a good view, you know what I'm saying? Plus it's like this big old, like, you can do whatever, man. It's like a picnic ground, or like people be like concerts or something like that. It depends. But yeah, the city downtown where I be at anyway, so might make a little series out of all this. For real, for real. Am I recording, bro? Yeah, I am. Oh, supposed to get off over here. There we go. We getting there. We getting there. Skirt. I know, like some smooth pavement, man. Get off that rocky country road. You get on some smooth pavement, man. Like one of the best feelings on the bike and in the car. What did you just do? So instead of taking whatchamacallit, instead of just going in that lane, they had to have forgotten something like that. They had to have forgotten where they was going. Magic City, if you know, you know. You know, you know. But we down here essentially. If you know, you know. Clean Corvette. It's a lot of Corvette. Like, I'm not a Corvette fan, I'm not gonna lie. Like, they're good looking cars. A lot of people like the older one like that. Not a Corvette fan. You guys probably can take a wild guess as to what I like. I'm like a Charger Challenger type of guy. Who knows when I'm gonna get one? I'm in no rush. I'm loving bikes right now, so it's no rush to get it though. But I'm gonna get one eventually. You know I gotta get one. The big boat. Get me a boat. Yeah, man, y'all need to fix these roads, bro. It's like the only thing. Roads are boo-boo, bro. If we take it city, we gonna take it easy in the city too. I always take it easy in the city, bro. Just cause I like sightseeing. See, we already basically there at Centennial. Think I get trouble if I ride on that walkway. Bumper to bumper is already, I mean, traffic. Yeah, it's always that one person, that one grumpy person, bro, that's honking as soon as the light turn green. Cause it's already bad just doing like a like light the light. Yeah, traffic into that. I don't even come down here. It's different, like, for nightlife, right? Nightlife, like, a lot of stuff be going on, but, like, generally, nah, bro. It's not worth it. I see you checking me out, bro. Mercedes-Benz Stadium. State Farm Arena? Who is that? Oh, that's man, I can't think of that girl name. Who is that? Bro, her name, it's on the tip of my tongue, bro. It's on the tip of my tongue, bro. Ah, man, I just forgot. Is it SZA? I don't even know how you say her name. Yeah, it is. I think that's her. Let me know in the comments. I believe that's her, bro. That's her, bro. It sounds like I pronounced her name wrong too. We can see the Ferris wheel here, so basically we're here. I might be cruising around, bro. I'm gonna be cruising. I can never find parking. Like, that's why it's good when it's light, cause I can, you know, I'll have some luck, a little bit more luck. Well, we gonna be cruising around. Might be cruising around 20 minutes looking for somewhere to park, and it's pretty good that I got a bike. I forgot I got a bike though, but I still need to be careful, bro. Still need to be careful though. Look at that. You see what I'm saying? Just pulled out straight in front of him. One-way streets and everything. Let's try and make a, whatchamacallit. I'm gonna make a, I can make it right here. Cause I honestly be getting confused which streets one way and what's not. Hey, I'm following this guy. I'm with you, brother. Nah, that guy's cruising. That's it right there, though. That's it. That's basically Centennial over there. The real quest is finding somewhere to park, though. Bro, I'm just go ride on something like I did last time. Everybody's pretty chill. Like, I think everybody's pretty like chill, police and stuff like that. You ain't gonna pull me over, right, bro? You ain't gonna pull me over though, right, bro? Like, everything's calm, everything's good. I ain't causing no trouble down here this evening. Yeah, I'm probably gonna turn right up there. Probably gonna turn right up there. Let's see. Alright. But they ain't gonna say nothing, man. Nobody gonna say nothing, man. Ain't nobody gonna say nothing, man. Man, this thing, bro, this is the R3 sounding this good, bro. Wait till man, I got some big plans, man. I'm gonna work my way up though. Like, I feel like I can handle, I'm very confident that I can handle a leader bike. I think I'm really confident. I'm gonna take it slow like I take this R3, but I think I can handle a leader bike. But what I'm gonna do is, cause I love the journey, you know what I'm saying? I like how I'm doing it. By like going up, like what they say, like numberly, like, you know what I'm saying, going for 600 is what I'm saying. Like, The natural flow, right? It's probably 3, 6, and then the leader bike. Cause the leader bike is not even necessary. Like 600 is not even necessary, to be honest. But I want to experience 600. Huh? I think he was talking about pull up. No, I'm about to pull up somewhere. Actually, what a good idea, bro. That's exactly what I'm about to do. He had a good idea. I am gonna pull up, brody. Ain't the best parking job, but it's all good. Sir, what they gonna do? They gonna take it?
It's not that bad this time of day, man.
Yeah, that's exactly what I was thinking. Yeah. But I ain't gonna be more 20 minutes.
Oh, it's only like 20 minutes.
Yeah, okay.
This ain't exactly the nicest part, but...
Okay. I appreciate it. I appreciate it, brother. Yeah, I ain't gonna be about 20 minutes, bro. I know what he talking about. Trust me. Hey, we just chilling a little bit. You feel me? We gonna go from there. Oh yeah, my other glove. Just for video, like, so y'all know. Here it is. It's my other glove. Okay? Just so y'all know I wasn't bluffing. Oh, you know, I just thought about it. Like, it's gonna sound, I probably didn't even say it, but I was like, that's why it's Olympic. Because they did hold the Olympics here. I don't know what year it was. But, bro, I just remember that's probably why they held the Olympics here. Centennial Olympic Park. It just clicked in my head. Wow. Torches just goes down, and that's pretty much the extent of it. All of this. It's a good place to hang out, bro. Have a little picnic. I have a picnic here regularly. Like, you just sit, man. Sit, bro. It's nice. You feel me? Like I said, it's spring around this time, so it's like be way better around this time to be out here. It's been cold and rainy, but this is it. Look at this, man. At nighttime, just imagine at nighttime. It's probably a whole different vibe. Yeah, nighttime. Probably a whole different vibe. Give y'all a little 360 slow-mo video production style. And with that, we are gonna end on that note, man. Hope y'all enjoyed the video. Oh, it's a little Dalmatian, bro. It's been a while since I've seen one of those, and he just barking. Oh, Georgia Aquarium over there, right there too. See, everything's over here. Coca-Cola, Georgia Aquarium, Centennial, Ferris wheel. It's like all there. Hall of Fame. Everything's like right over here. But I'm gonna end up on that video. Thank you guys for watching. Leave a like, comment. Everything that I use in my videos is linked in the description below. Those are affiliate links. And I will see y'all soon, alright? Have a good one.